Hello students. So let's start with example 2 of chapter 8. So in the question we are given, if angle B and Q are acute angle such that sin B equal to sin Q, then we need to prove angle B is equal to angle Q. Okay, so let's draw the diagram first. This is triangle ABC, right? And this is triangle PQR. So we have been given sine of B is sine of Q. Sine of B is equal to sine of Q. We know the shortcut formula, Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bole, correct? That means uh, it's perpendicular by hypotenuse. Sin B is perpendicular by hypotenuse. So perpendicular is AC and hypotenuse is AB, right? This is perpendicular. So we can write sin AB as AC upon AB. Similarly, we can write for sin Q PR by PQ, right? Now let's interchange the position. Okay, AC by PR. Okay, I just brought it here and took it here, equal to AB by PQ. Say this entire thing is K. Now for triangle this, right? If we use Pythagoras theorem, AB square equal to C square plus AC square, correct? We know AC, we know AB, we need to find BC. So BC square will be equal to C square. Let's take AC on the other side. This will become minus of AC square, right? So BC equal to AB square minus of AC square. Similarly for RQ you can write PQ square minus of PR square, right? Now if we need to find, like if we need to show here that both the, what was the angle B is equal to angle Q, and can prove this triangle to be similar triangle, right? Then what we can say that angle B is equal to angle Q. So in order to prove the triangle similar, we need two sides are, the ratio of two sides are already equal. If we can identify if the ratio of third side is also equal to K, then this will be a similar triangle. So we'll take AB square by R square. So which is, what is the value of AB? Sorry, this will be, this won't be AB, this will be C, right? BC by QR, right? What is the value of BC? Under root of AB square, right? AB square minus AC square. Similarly, what is the value of this? QR is PQ square minus of PR square. If I have to write, give me one moment. Yeah, it can be written as, if we just look into this, AB can be written as K into PQ का whole square minus AC can be written as PR into K, यानी K into PR का whole square, right? By under root of PQ square minus PR square, correct? Now if we take K, if we distribute it, it becomes PQ square, right, minus K square PK square, correct, upon P square minus PR square. Now we can take k outside square root. This becomes PQ square minus PK square upon PQ square minus of PK square. This whole thing gets cancelled. That means we get BC by QR is equal to K. Right? Now since AC by PR equal to AB by PQ equal to BC by QR, right, equal to K, that means all the sides are equal. That means we can say ABC is similar to triangle PQR, right? Therefore Q. So I don't think any doubts. We'll move down to example 3. In example 3, it has been given to us. Consider triangle ACB. Okay. Consider triangle ACB, right? So it has been given to us right angle at C, ACB, C, in which AB is 29 units, this is 29, BC is 21 units, ABC is theta. Then we need to determine the value of, first question is cos square theta plus sin square theta, and second question is cos square theta minus sin square theta. Very simple. First, we'll use Pythagoras theorem to identify the third side, right? So, according to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square, that means AB square, is equal to AC square plus BC square. What is the value of AB? 29 square equal to, what is the value of AC? We need to find it out. Plus, what is the value of BC? 21 square. So, if we take the square of 29, this will come out to be 841. You just need to multiply 29 into 29. Similarly, AC square remains same. 21 square become 21 into 21, which is 441. So now I have to find AC. I'll take this to this side. So AC square equal to 841. Since I am changing the side, so the sign will become plus ka minus. 841 minus 441, which is equal to 400. So AC square is 400 for us. AC will be plus minus of 400, square root of 400, which will be plus minus 20. Since side cannot be negative, we will take plus 20 unit. So we got AC as 20 unit. Now we have got cos theta. So what does our formula say? Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bole, correct? So cos is B by H. So now we'll solve question 1. Cos square is B by H ka whole square plus what is a sine? Perpendicular by hypotenuse ka whole square. What is base in this case? 21 is the base. What is hypotenuse here? 29, right? 29 is the hypotenuse. Square, square. What is perpendicular here? 20. And what is the height here? 20. Sorry, what is the hypotenuse? This is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is 29 square. So 21 square is 441 by 29 square is 841 plus 20 square is 400 square is 841. If you just add it, it will be 841 by 841, right? Cancel both, will become 1. So we took the LCM here, 841 LCM will be 841. So 441 plus 400 We get 841 by 841. So this gives us the answer to question number 1. I mean the first part. Moving on to the second part, they have asked us cos square theta minus sin square theta. So things will remain same. Cos square theta minus sin square theta, that is b by h ka whole square minus b by h ka whole square. Correct? That means 21 by 29 whole square minus 20 by 29 whole square. This will be 441. Same thing, we're just changing the sign. Minus 400 by 841. If we take the LCM, 841, this will be 441 minus 400. This will be 441 minus 441 by 841. Any doubts? If you have any, just write in the comment section, I'll answer it. So friends, we'll start with example 4 now. In example 4, we have been given in a right triangle ABC, correct? ABC, right angled at B, we are given tan A equal to 1. Then verify that 2 sin A cos A is equal to 1. So tan A is equal to 1. That means if we go by our formula, first of all, this becomes base, this becomes perpendicular, this becomes hypotenuse, right? We know the formula Pandit Badri Prasad Har Bole, correct? That means this is the value of tan. Tan will be P by B. What is P? P is BC. What is B? B is AB is equal to 1. So we know BC equal to AB equal to BC is equal to AB. So let's say this is equal to K. Now we need to find, we have a relationship between AB and BC. We do not know what H is. So let's find the relationship. We know Pythagoras theorem says hypotenuse square equal to B square plus perpendicular square. So let's say hypotenuse is AC square equal to BC square plus AB square. This is K square plus AB is K, right? We assumed K here. AC square. AC square is 2K square. So we have to remove the square root. We'll put plus minus under root of 2K square. This will come out of the square root. We'll ignore the minus sign because this is side, right? So this will be plus K and this will remain under root K root 2. Now we know AC is K root 2. So what is sine A? Sine A is perpendicular by hypotenuse. This is sine A, right? What is perpendicular? Perpendicular is BC. What is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is K root 2, right? BC is how much? BC is equal to K. I'll just write it clearly. BC by AC, right? BC is K, correct? BC is K. AC is K root 2. Similarly, cos A is B by H. What is B? AB. What is H? AC. What is the value of AB? AB is K. This is K root 2. So this cancelled, this cancelled, right? So we have 1 by root 2 in this case. We have 1 by root 2 in this case. So now we are asked to sin A cos A. Okay, this 2 sin A is 1 by root 2. This is 1 by root 2. This is 2 into 1 by root 2. Root 2 becomes 2. This got cancelled. Equal to 1 equal to RHS. That's the solution for you. So in the next problem, we are given in triangle OPQ. Okay, let's do the similar triangle to the one given in textbook. In the triangle OPQ, right angled at P, correct? right angle at P, OP equal to 7 centimeter. Okay, no, this is not OP. This is O. OP equal to 7 centimeter and OQ minus PQ equal to 1. Okay. Determine the value of sine Q and cos Q. Okay. We need to find sine Q and cos Q. So we are given OP. Okay. So now let's use the formula. This is hypotenuse, this is perpendicular, this is base, right? Now we need to find, so this is hypotenuse, this is perpendicular. We need to find in reference to Q, right? So opposite will become perpendicular, this will become base. So now we know hypotenuse square, OQ square equal to PQ square plus PO square, right? We can write OQ as 1 plus PQ square. It's PQ square, right? This is PQ square plus PO square, right? So if we split A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2 of PQ equal to P, sorry, this is PQ square plus this is PO square. This is PO square. PQ square plus PO square. PO square, right? So PQ square get cancelled, right? We know the value of PO, that is 7 centimeter. So 1 plus 2 PQ equal to 7 centimeter square, right? So this is 2 PQ equal to 7 square is 49. This minus will come this side. This will become 49 minus 1 equal to 48. So PQ is 48 by 2, which is 24. Now we need to determine the value of sine Q and cos Q. Very simple. We now know PQ is 24, right? So what is the value of OQ? OQ equal to PQ plus 1. So the value of OQ is 24 plus 1, that is 25. OQ is 25. Now let's say sine Q and cos Q we need to find, right? What is sine Q? Pandit Patri Prasad Har Har Bole, correct? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. What is perpendicular here? 7. And what is hypotenuse here? 25. Correct? That's the value of sine Q. This is base by hypotenuse. What is the value of B here? It's 24. What is the value of hypotenuse? 25. So this is your answer. If you have any doubts, ping me in the comment section and I'll be able to help you out. Thank you so much.